Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be outlining some potential risk of booking cruise ships shore excursions through third-party operators. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so booking shore excursions through third-party operators or exploring on your own can offer advantages, but there are potential downfalls to consider. So third-party tour operators, a concern is lack of guarantee. If you book with a third-party operator and your excursion runs late, the ship will not wait for you. This can be quite risky if the excursion is close to the ship's departure times. You don't want to be one of those people that you see on YouTube or TikTok when they're running towards a ship, but the ship's already taken off. Quite embarrassing. And the second issue here is unvetted experiences. So unlike Carnivals, Royal Caribbeans, and other different cruise company excursions, third-party tours may not be as thoroughly vetted for safety, quality, or reliability. This could lead to subpar experiences or safety concerns. Also, they've got communication issues, so this could be if there are changes to your port schedule, like a delayed arrival, it may be harder to communicate with a third-party tour operator, which could lead to missed excursions. And also payment and cancellation policies. So third-party operators might have stricter cancellation policies or require upfront payments, making it more difficult to cancel or get a refund if your plans change. With private tours, you got costs involved, so private tours can be more expensive, especially if you're not traveling with a group to split all the costs. Logistics, arranging private tours require more effort in terms of planning and coordinating. So if you like doing that stuff, private tours might be for you, which can be stressful if you're unfamiliar with the destinations involved. Safety concerns, so similar to third-party tours, private tours might not be vetted, increasing the risk of safety issues or unreliable services. And also timing risks, like with third-party operators, there's no guarantee the ship will wait if your private tour runs late, which could lead to missing your ship. And exploring on your own, so if you want to go ahead and explore on your own, you've got the issues of lack of local knowledge. So without a guide, you might miss out on key attractions, historic context, or cultural insight that a guided tour would provide. Time management, can be easy to lose track of time exploring independently, risking missing the ship's departure. Also got potentially transportation issues. Depending on the port, transportation might be limited or unreliable, which can make getting around more difficult and time consuming. And also safety. So exploring on your own may expose you to unfamiliar or unsafe areas, especially if you're not familiar with the local environment. So while booking outside of cruise ships offers flexibility, potentially unique experiences, and sometimes cost saving, it also carries risks like timing issues, lack of guarantees, and possible safety concerns.